Who has Canada's tallest water slide? Or what about the largest indoor wave pool? Or who has the best lazy river? Welcome to Canada's best water parks. Our journey begins in the sunny province of BC, where we find Cultus Lake Waterpark. Coming in at BC's largest water park, it has 16 major water slides. Notable attractions include the Freefall water slide with its 72-foot drop, the Colossal Canyon Family Raft Ride, and the Valley of Fear tube slide. They're also a friend of the channel and allowed me to film 2 years ago, so big ups, Cultus. Heading eastward now, we end up at the World Water Park in the capital of Alberta, Edmonton. For the longest time, this was actually the world's largest indoor water park, only recently losing its title. Personally, I still think it's one of the best. Featuring 19 slides, with rides like the world's tallest aqua loop, Cyclone, the insanely fun Nessie's Revenge, and some of the longest body slides I've ever ridden in the Twisters. Like seriously, these things clock in at like 45 seconds of runtime. World Water Park remains a blast of a time. They even offer indoor surfing in the wave pool in winter. They're also friends of the channel, so make sure you plan your visit to Edmonton sometime soon. Now to the center of the world, aka Ontario, to talk about some of their water parks. The first one we find ourselves at is Calypso Waterpark. Located just outside of Ottawa, and not far from Montreal, this water park features 25 slides, and among it are the tallest water slides in Canada, known as the Summit Tower. These giant tube slides plunge riders 90 feet through tunnels and drops. The park also features dueling aqua loops, and a massive boomerango water slide, along with two of the best themed lazy rivers I've ever been in. If you're in the area, make sure to spend a day there and check it out. Alright, let's head over to Toronto now, where we end up at Splashworks Waterpark. This is located in the Canada's Wonderland theme park, and features 16 water slides set among the park's massive roller coasters. When you're in the park and the weather's nice, this is a great way to spend a summer day if it's too hot to wait in line for the rides. With slides like the Muskoka Plunge Tower, which features 4 high-speed trapdoor water slides, the Turbulent Typhoon tube slides, and even cliff jumping at the Mountain Bay Cliffs, this often overlooked part of the park is surely worth your time and money for a visit. Staying with the theme of being in Toronto now, our next park only makes sense to be Wet n Wild. This relatively newly opened park features 12 major water slides, along with a few others. Rides include huge tube slides like the Crazy Canuck and Caribbean Chaos, as well as a headfirst mat racing competition named the Klondike Express. Wet n Wild is sure to please everyone that visits with its unique mix of rides and fun things to do. Getting closer to the end of our list now, we head down to the natural wonder of Niagara Falls and Falls View Indoor Water Park. This water park features 8 large water slides, along with some others, all under one of the most unique roof designs I've seen. At 125,000 square feet, there's space for everyone in the park. With rides like the Tube Tower featuring 3 fun tube slides and the Extreme Racing Slide. You're sure to have a ton of fun here if you end up staying the night, or just decide to pay the entrance fee, especially if you get bored of the big waterfall next to it. Finally, let's end with a 2-for-1 in Quebec as we head to Valcartier Village. Valcartier features both an indoor and outdoor water park, so let's talk about both. The outdoor water park features over 35 water slides and attractions, with rides such as Everest, the highest mat slide in Canada at a whopping 109 feet. With potential speeds of up to 85 kilometers an hour, this is a crazy slide that you can't miss. Other slides in this park include the Turbo 6 Mat Racer and the Eldorado Speed Slides. This is also the largest outdoor water park in Quebec, so make sure to spend some time there. When the summer months come to an end, Valcartier also features Waterpark, their 102,000 square foot indoor water park with over 14 water slides. With slides like the Tribu Family Raft Ride and the Serpentine Body Slides, you're sure to find something to do here even when the flurries fly and you're done tubing outside at the converted outdoor water park. Well, there you have it, some of the best water parks in Canada. I hope after watching this video you've managed to add at least one to your list. Did I miss anything? Any other water parks you would have included? Let me know in the comments below. And also let me know what you think of this type of video. It's the first time I'm doing something like this, so I want to practice, learn, and get better, and comments are one way to do that. Anyways, Thanks for watching.